Hey, Coach Mike, bringing you to the third episode of Mutant Mayhem. My audio's off, I'm sorry. I'll fix it later. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Okay, so last time we were on level 4. Okay, let's do this. Oh, Chapel. Oh, yes. Okay. Smack you. Come on, I can smack them. You wanna get smacked? I'm gonna smack you. Oh, yeah, smack. Smack, 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 smack. Oh, if you're watching this vid and you're interested on the first episodes, go check out my channel and check for my playlist. So you can see all the vids in one kind of section. Okay, let me just... Okay, good. Let's use Gamba. Smack you. Okay. G. Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah. Smack. Let's see if we could get our parents helping. Help me. Nice. Oh, yes. Nice damage. Pretty nice damage. Oh. What? I'm so happy. Okay, come on. Oh. Dodge. Oh, yes. Dodge. There we go. Stage clear. Okay. Let's just skip this 2 stars. It's not bad. Let's give him that. And Anais. Okay. Now let me use Anais. Okay. Let me just... Oh. Punch. Don't flinch, Anais. You got this. Oh, I got an achievement. There we go. Smack. Make it rain. Perfecto. Oh yeah, big gumball. Yeah, punch. Punch like a man. Almost there. Smack. Did I win? Oh no, one more. We won. 3 hearts. 3 stars. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. Let's give this. Let's give her a gun. Let's give them more guns. Yeah, the gun makes you feel special. Okay. Oh. And Ace is good defense. You ain't gonna get me. I got a taser. Snipe you. Hey. Oh no, I lost it. Damn it. Oh yes. Big Anais. Smack. YouTube, I'm so sorry, but my mom's talking in the background. Just don't pay attention to it. She doesn't know I'm recording, so it's like a secret. Okay. There we go. Smack this guy. Smack. Oh yes, get smacked. Oh, okay. Oh. What are these, cheese? Okay, let's use... What's his name? I forgot your name. Darwin. Makes him feel special. Oh, okay. Sweet, almost there. Taser you. Oh, wait. No. Let me do the final move. Grenade launch. There we go. We're doing good. Okay. I gotta admit, but I want to get done with this. Because this game is fun, but it's like the hardest thing to record. Because if I don't get a good recording, then like I can't it automatically saves when I exit out. Okay. Oh yes, I need some fire. This girl is on fire. Oh yes, let's do this. Oh come on. Oh, come at me. Come at me. Oh, just come at me. Oh, yes. Smack, 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 smack. Oh, I can't make it rain. Defense. The best defense is the best offense. Okay. Rage. He's high on sugar. Oh, dodge, dodge. His eyes are burning. Come on. Oh, blue. Blue, red. Flare. Okay. Come on. Let's get the rage. The rage inside of Gumbo. This rage that he can't even control. Oh, I'm getting some good combos. Oh. There we go. Pretty easy as pie. Okay. Stage 7 complete. Next one. You could be okay. I'm pretty sure you can. Yes. We have to save Elmore or Elrond from being invaded by your dad's jelly. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Come on, Gumbo. Hit him hard. Okay, there we go. If you can you please let me know if you liked these vids? Just comment down below or leave a like. And subscribe if you want to stay tuned till more episodes. Okay. Tomato. I want to make a tomato sauce. No. Apple juice. Okay, wait. No. Wait, what? It's not working. Okay, there we go. Oh. Let's go this. I'm so happy. Oh no. Can we get our parents in this? Come on, let's get mom and dad. One more word. Oh, it's right there. Yay. Wait, what? Oh, another one? I need a heal. Don't worry, bros. I have to wait until it comes. Let me get the last L. Where's the last L? Can I get it? Are my dads gonna help me? Yay. Let's see how much do we have till the okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you want to see more, stay tuned, subscribe probably, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.